Okay, tip number 2, let's keep moving forward. We are going to speak our keywords. Tip number 2, speak your keywords. You might think that YouTube tags are dead. Here's how you use them today, okay? You speak your keywords, and the easiest way to do that is to use a video script, or at least a video outline, where you're going to have your keywords strategically placed so that you can have a structured video that you can follow and you know that you're speaking your keywords, and also include some call to actions in there so that you don't forget to speak your call to actions as well, okay? This is how we can use YouTube tags in 2021. Okay, speak them, put them into your description, and as you've just seen, if you put them into your title and you've got all three together, you've got a very good chance of ranking for those particular keywords. So that's how we can use tags in 2021. Speak your keywords is really hugely important, and if you still want to put the tags when you're uploading a video, it doesn't affect the ranking at all, but it's handy to use. So if you're using a Chrome extension like vidIQ or TubeBuddy, when you go to your video, you can see which tags you're ranking for just by clicking one button one time, and those tools will tell you what you're ranking for. So that's it for tip number 2.